Even though you have to skip a lot when you farm, sleep, meals, and time with your family, you won't tolerate skips in the field. And that's why Intelligent Ag's monitoring solutions never let up. Today's seeding equipment is more complex than ever, with lots of potential for problems that result in wasted time and reduced yields. On top of that, input costs are high and climbing higher all the time. That's why so many growers are adding monitoring solutions to their seeding or fertilizer application implements to ensure that they're maximizing every dollar and every minute they spend on getting product into the ground. The wireless blockage and flow monitor from Intelligent Ag is more than just a blockage monitor. For once, cutting-edge technology comes with simplicity and reliability. It's been trusted by growers and equipment manufacturers around the world for more than 4 years.
As far as I'm concerned, it's been more than worth the investment that we made. The blockage monitors work flawlessly.
I've been very impressed with the quality of the product because I think it's going to stand up much better than some of the wired systems out there.
Oh, it's just added peace of mind, just of knowing instantly when a run plugs.
It all starts with the state-of-the-art acoustic sensors that attach to the final runs. These mechanical sensors contain no electronics and work similar to a stethoscope. As seed leaves the manifold, it passes through the sensor where it reflects off a stainless steel membrane to create a small pulse of sound. That sound travels through an auditory tube to the ECU, the brains of the system, where it's converted into a digital signal and streamed through Wi-Fi to an iPad in the cab of your tractor. The iPad app shows how your whole system is performing, alerting you instantly if there's a blockage or even reduced flow. So why are growers choosing Intelligent Ag? Because the system monitors the entire implement, not just the final runs. It detects flow across the drill, variances from manifold to manifold, and partial blockages on manifolds and individual runs. If you're looking for a monitoring solution that's as vigilant as you are at maximizing yield, visit intelligentag.com. You'll find useful resources like our how-to videos, savings calculator, dealer locator, request a quote tool, and more. The wireless blockage and flow monitor from Intelligent Ag never skips a day in its life.